Hello guys and welcome back to Learn Cyber EH. Today I am back on the PicoCTF website looking at the beginner picoMini 2022 challenge glitch cat. So this is a general skills challenge, as you can see there, and it's worth 100 points. So for this challenge I'm going to use the web shell provided on the website. Once you sign in you'll see something similar to this. Before we start, I'm going to look at the description. Our flag printing service has started glitching, and it gives us this netcat command here. We'll have a look at the hints. ASCII 2 is one of the most common encodings used in programming. We know that the glitch output is valid Python somehow, and press Ctrl and C on the keyboard to close your connection and return to command prompt. Okay, so let's just take this command here and paste it into our web shell. Control Shift and V will paste it in, or you can just right click and select paste. So we're using netcat for this website on this port number, and we can see we get an output here. So if you're familiar with Python at all, you might recognize this output. So PicoCTF, we have these numbers here. So this first section is a string in Python, and then it is adding on these ASCII characters. So there's probably two ways you could do this. You could look up an ASCII table or type these numbers here into an ASCII converter and find each of the characters and then put them in, or add them on to the end of this string here and submit that as a flag. Or I think a better way to do it would be if we just copy this whole thing. Yeah, you can just copy up to here. Oops. Actually, yeah, I'm just going to copy the ASCII characters. Oops. So you just want to right click it, select copy. Now you can run Python in the shell or in any terminal as long as you have it downloaded by just typing in Python. So it tells us it's Python version 3. Python has started here. And we will just type print. And then we'll paste our characters in, Control Shift V. And we'll close that print statement there. Push enter. So this is these are the numbers we get based on these ASCII codes. So basically in Python, this function will print out the ASCII codes into plain text. So we can see we have these values here, and basically we just want to, if we open up Notepad, and we'll just copy the first part of the flag, paste it into Notepad, and then we'll copy the second part here. Sorry. Okay, and paste that there, and then we'll put the closing bracket on. As you can see here, it added on the closing bracket, but I didn't paste that into the command. So this should be the flag here. So we'll copy this and we'll paste it into our flags just to make sure that is correct. So paste, submit flag, and there we go. It wasn't too bad. Once you're familiar with Python somehow, it's not too bad. So thanks guys for watching, and please have a look at my channel for the rest of these challenges. I'll be going through them all. So thank you.